Alright, let's see. Okay, YouTube, I am officially online, and this is my first time using this program, so let's see how it works. Alright, so today I'll be showing you a quick website on that will help you make any type of logos, or let's say you want to make your YouTube banner or a thumbnail for the free. So this is one of my favorite websites to use. Um, I'm a pretty cheap person, so I'm not trying to like pay for anything. But yeah, look, I already have my account here. I have some of the previous ones. So it's pretty easy to use. It's canva.com. You go to create a design, and these are like the ones that are recommended for me. So you have here like for social media posts. So you have for Twitter posts, Pinterest, Facebook posts. So yeah, so they give you a lot of different options here. But today I actually want to create the thumbnail for my YouTube video. Alright, so you press that, and they give you many options right here. These are the free options. You could always search for something else if you have a specific design you're looking for. But not all of them are free, only some. So like I said, I am trying to go with the free ones. So let's see. So for example, okay, you see this one says you have to pay for it. But you know, one thing that I learned from making YouTube videos and having a thumbnail is that people want simple. They don't want anything that's going to be distracting. Oh, look at this burger. Alright, so let's work with this one. Alright, so I'm going to, let's close this out. Alright, so basically, let's see. I chose my layout, right? This is what I want. I'm going to upload a picture that I had originally taken. Oh, where is it? Let's see. Where's my picture? Okay. Alright, so it's not here. Give me a quick minute. Yes, I have lots of videos here. So, yeah, let's do this one. So, what is going on? Alright, let's export this one. So, you know, I have my photo booth here. Let's call it Confused. Let's name it Confused. I'm going to save this folder, and save. Alright, perfect. So this is the picture that I want to upload here. So I go back to here, go to my folders. So this is where I saved it. Here it is. You open it, and it's uploading, and has it uploaded? Yeah, it did upload. Whoa. Alright, so I pressed on it, put it there, bam. It did it all for me. Whoa. So yeah, so it all depends on how you want to make it. Trying to fix this. Let me see. Alright. What does this do? Let's see. So you could arrange it. You could flip it. Do I want to flip it? Let's see. Whoa. You see my beautiful face right there? How to cook really yummy burgers. What? But that's not what my video is all about. My video is about... Alright, so this is a thumbnail for my current new video, which is how to video market. How to do video marketing, right? So maybe I don't want this. So let's delete that. Alright, and let's make this a little bigger of it. Let's see. So you could always make these. So it's a pretty simple It's a pretty simple website to use. I really like it. It's pretty much all done for me. Look, I could change the background. Let's do a purple. Nah, that's not really my style. Let's stick with black. I kind of like it. I kind of like how this is. Let's see. Maybe I'll change this yellow. Oop, nope, nope. Going back to black. All right. No. No, I don't want to change all of it. Let's see. Going back to black. Alright, well, you get the point, right? Oh, look. There you go. I could change it now. Okay, let's do orange. Yeah, which pretty much isn't different from yellow, but you know, me. How to do video marketing. Alright, so there you go, you know. So again, I mean, there's always different types of text that you can add. So, you know what? Let's change our text. Yeah, let's do that. Let me highlight it. Let's do, which one looks pretty cool? Let's see. Let's do this one. How does this one look? Whoa! Wrong one. Delete element. Delete group. This. Delete element. And then delete group. Perfect. Alright, so again, these are all, majority of these are free actually, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I'm a very cheap person, so if you're a cheap person like I am, this is probably like your best option. No, I don't want this. Delete group. Alright. But yeah, you have all these different options. You have different elements that you can add. So let's say I want to add some extra lines. You know, so I get these pretty cool lines right here. Yeah, so let's say I want to delete this one. Delete. Gonna add this really cool line right here, you know, because I'm pretty awesome. Let me see, I'm gonna delete this one too. Don't want no squiggly line. You know, gotta keep it basic. Alright, you see? And that's really cool too, that it aligns it for you. So it's not like completely crooked. So yeah, you see? You see? Nice and simple. And I'm pretty sure there's many more things that you can do with it. But yeah, you can use all these free templates. So there's many options. It all depends on you. And the really cool thing is that you get to add your own pictures, and you get to keep either the same text, or you could switch it. Like I said, you have all these different elements. You got shapes. Let's see. You've got these beautiful shapes right here that you can eventually add. But I'm not going to do that. I think I'm just going to keep it like this. Nice and simple. So yeah, and then pretty much what you do after this, you download it. So download it. It says, the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Steve Jobs. How awesome is that? So yeah, so here you go. I open it. And either I can open it or just save it. But I'm going to open it just for the sake of this video. Come on, laptop. I've been having this Mac for a really long time, so I'm surprised that it's still working. Let's try it in an hour. Let's not do it right now. Where'd it go? Open. Oh, there you go. You see? And now I can just upload it to my YouTube and to my YouTube video and call it a day. So yeah, so like I said, there's different options, different things that you can do. Layouts. So yeah, so this is my video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys learned something new today, because I definitely did. And yeah, hope to see you again soon. Bye. Thank you. And good night.